Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Metal to record your gameplay on Windows. First, download and install the Metal app on your Windows PC or mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app and click the settings icon at the bottom left corner. In the settings, you will see the option to capture the last 30 seconds of your gameplay by pressing the F8 key. Whenever something interesting happens in your game, simply press F8 and Metal will save the previous 30 seconds. If you want to use a different shortcut, you can change the hotkey here. You can also increase or decrease the clip length by choosing one of the presets or by adding a custom recording time. Next, find the long recording option. You can start or stop a full gameplay recording by pressing Alt+7 on your keyboard. As soon as you press the shortcut, Metal will begin recording until you stop it. Now, go to the recorder settings section. Scroll to the bottom and add the game you want Metal to record clips from. After that, open the screen recording section and select your monitor from the drop-down menu. Once these settings are complete, launch your game and start recording clips or full gameplay sessions. If you want to customize your recordings even more, you can adjust settings like recording quality and other recording preferences to match your needs. Thanks for watching.